Friends, welcome back. In this video, I am going to telling you never trust anything blindly because it is your life, your choices, your demand. So why you listening others' advices? Listen your own soul because nobody cannot save you. Nobody cannot change your future. Nobody can change your habit. Only you can change your habit. Only you can change your future. So why you waiting for someone? Change your everything. Don't depend because nobody come you to save your life. Only you can change your habit and your skills. So develop your skill and develop your talents. It doesn't matter where are you from today. Learn greatly because learning is most important. Don't waste your time. Your time is limited. Don't follow because you are not followers. You are a leader. So develop your leadership, not followers. Be fearless and do what you wanted to be. You are amazing because only you know what you can do and what you cannot do. Never trust anything blindly because we are Indian and Indian can anything and everything. Everything is possible. Just believe in yourself. We make India proud again. So take a responsibility right now. Just follow your dream and passion and ability because you will be unstoppable if you believe in yourself. So learn greatly because we are the creator of India. If you like my videos, subscribe our channel and never forget to press the bell icon. In this channel you will get personality development related videos and etc. things. So bye. Have a great day.